All right, what's up? Before we get started with this lesson, there's a couple things you gotta learn with the top rock. So, it's pretty simple. From the top, just watch real quick. Left leg, gang, 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 boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back, shoom, boom, back. All right, left leg kicks out, so back and forward, right? So it's just boom, back. The next step, you just switch, right? And the next one, that first leg, it crosses, so it just goes like this, boom, right? So it's from the left, it's 1, 2, 3, right? So here we go, one more time, left leg. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, switch, cross, back. All right? So 1, 2, cross, back where that, so you just take one step back, right? So boom, back, shoom, backwards. So you're here. Remember, when the left one goes, it doesn't just go straight forward. It kind of goes back, straight. And you'll see why that is in a second. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's what I want you guys to do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it's and 1, switch legs, cross, and just go backwards one step. Boom, because you were here, so you just go gang, gang, right? So here you go, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now from here, we're just gonna go, from here, we're gonna go boom, switch legs, and cross this way, gang, and switch back, and switch legs. So you see what's happening here? Shoom, shoom, back, shoom, shoom, back, shoom, boom, back, boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, back, shoom, back, boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back. All right, let's break down the other side a little bit more now, okay? Still going from the left side. 1, switch, cross, just go backwards, boom, switch your legs again, boom, and then go this way, gang. Then go back, switch your legs again, and then go this way. Then go back, switch your legs, and go this way. Now I want you to notice something. When I switch my legs, my body kind of leans in one direction. Watch. So I kick, I'm neutral. I'm right in the front, right? Boom. I do the next one. My body's already kind of starting to be over here on this one. So when I do this, you see how I'm kind of here and I'm twisted kind of, right? But when I go back, I'm back neutral. And when I switch, now I'm already starting to come this way so I can be here like this. So it's like facing here, shoom, shoom, back, boom, boom, back, boom, boom, back, shoom, boom, back. You see what I'm saying? All right, so that's a quick little shuffle in a top rock. I don't know what the name of that is. These things don't really have names. And we're gonna incorporate that in our top rock, but we're not gonna do it a million times like that. I wanna show it to you so you understand what the top rock is. But you shouldn't really be doing it like that over and over and over, all right? So here's how we incorporate it. Okay, so for our combo today, we're gonna start with a basic top rock. We're gonna go start with our right and we're gonna go this way, okay? So we're gonna go 1, back, 2, back, right? 1, back, 2. Just get used to that top rock. Remember the top rock from volume 1, right? That's all. Hopefully you guys have been working on it. You guys have developed your own kind of flavor, your own kind of body, style, posture, all that, right? Okay, so while we're doing that top rock, at some point, we step, right after this step right here, you go boom. Remember how I was saying, when you start that step, we start like this for the first one. And that's just to kind of get you into it, because when you step here and you go here, that's how you get into that move. You kind of go back, front. You know what I'm saying? So you tap, tap, back, boom, boom, back. All right, so that's what we're doing. Right, left, back, shoom, shoom, back. And just kind of hold it there for now, just for a quick second, okay? So here we go. Step, back, step, and 1, 2, 3. Again, right leg. Step, back, step, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now from here, we're actually not gonna continue that top rock, that shuffle. We're not gonna go ding, we're not gonna go back and switch, right? We're gonna just go into something else, okay? So we're just gonna use that shuffle, half of it basically, and then continue our moves, all right? So, top rock, back, shoom, shoom, back. Now from here, we're gonna take a step back. We're just literally gonna take a step back with our right foot, right? So instead of going boom, 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 back, right? Instead of going like this for the shuffle, we're gonna go from here, we're just gonna back. So your weight has to kind of shift a little bit. Work on that slowly so you understand what your body has to do, okay? So again, top rock, boom, back, boom, back, boom, back. And that's that rhythm, okay? Boom, boom, back, boom, back. Watch, you'll hear it. Top rock, right? Step and 1 and 2 and 1, okay? So from here, 2, you're kind of jumping on that left leg first. Boom, back. Remember that first top rock? In the beginning, that first drop, how we went gang, gang. Stepped on that right leg first. When we did that drop, we went boom, boom, and dropped, right? So it's kind of the same concept. So we're here, and you're gonna step on your left, gang, back. So let's work on that real slow all together, okay? From a top rock, we're just gonna do 2 of them. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2 sets. Bang, and doom, doom, back, boom, back. Okay? Boom, boom, back, boom, back. Doom, doom, that, boom, back. Hear that rhythm in your head. Doom, doom, that, boom, back. Now that last step, just so you know before you work on it, what we're gonna do after that step, right? We go boom, back. You're actually gonna turn this way and get on your left knee. So that's why I want you to prepare. When you do that last step, I want you to have your body in a place that's gonna help you get to that turn, okay? So again, from here, you hop back. You see how I just did it back like this? You could do it like that, or you can just go boom, back, step back. It's up to you, it's your style. You can do what you want with it, okay? But just from here, whatever you do, from here you go bang, bang. And my body is over here because I'm getting ready to go boom. I know it's coming, all right? So here we go. Right leg, we're gonna do the top rock. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna start the moves, okay? Just in case you forgot, from that last top rock, right? It's back, kick forward, right? So from that last top rock, back, kick forward, switch your legs, boink, and then jump on the right, boom. All right, it's getting a little bit more complicated, but just follow along and keep working on it. You'll get it. All right, here we go. Right leg first, we're gonna do that little thing 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and kick, bang, switch, cross. Pop on the left, down with the right. And you're right here, okay? You're right here, and then you're just gonna turn, boom. All right, one last time, okay? One more time. And from here, if you need to keep working on it, just rewind it to this mark right here, okay? Here we go. Right leg first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, boom. All right, one more time, real slow this time. Right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back with the left hook, kick, kick, cross, on the left, boom. Now on the right, boom. Now on the left knee, boom. Now you're right here, all right? Let's move on. Okay, so you're here now, right? Now from here, you gotta go left leg down, boom, left knee on the ground. Now you're here. Now from here, your right leg comes up like this. Then your left, you go on your left foot, boom, and you turn up here, and you're here. This is not the end of it, okay? From here, you do one more turn, and you end up here, okay? So, just to show you, all the way, right? You started here. Now I want you guys to work on it from here, okay? So you start here and you go, boom, left knee, and you just keep going like this. Then your left, you go on your left foot, boom, and you turn up here, and you're here. This is not the end of it, okay? From here, you do one more turn, and you end up here, okay? So, just to show you all the way, right? You started here. Now I want you guys to work on it from here, okay? So you start here, and you go, boom, left knee, and you just keep going. It's one rhythm, one move, one flow, right? But you can break it up into different flows, which actually I prefer, right? And here's what I mean. It's not different flows, it's one flow, but it kind of has these little stops, these like mini stops, right? So what I do is I go from here, right? From here, right? I go, and I'm gonna kind of do it a little slow with some kind of pacing so you guys can understand it. I go, boom, 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 bah. Okay, that's the whole move, right? So again, from here, it's just shoom, 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 boom. Okay? Now, let's break that down. So, from here, I don't want you to work on it from here because there's no momentum here. You're starting without any momentum. But just kind of do it a couple times from here so you understand it, right? And what happens is my right leg swings back, and you kind of want to use your right leg to bring your body up so it's easier to get on your foot. Now, that last time, if you noticed, I just kind of rolled over like this, which is cool. And if you want to do that for now, it might be good for you to do that, right? So you understand what your body is doing. You're just basically get on your toes. Don't be pointed. Get on your toes, right? And then just turn your body over and plant yourself with your right. Boom, just like this. And then you literally just keep going over, and you go over, and you're here on the third step of that 3-step, right? But what I actually want you to do when you do it is hop a little bit and give it some power, okay? So instead of just rolling over like this, I want you to hop up onto your foot, right? So you go, whoom, bam. You see that? It's just a very small difference, but it's just that little thing right there. Boom. Then you do the same thing for the second part, because the second part, I could just go like this, right? And I'm here. And if you want to do that right now, you should probably do that. You should probably just go like this so you understand it. You could put your foot down, and you can come up like this. But once you understand what your body's doing, I want you to hop into that position. Very simple. Literally, just go from here. You're just gonna pick this leg up, right? And it's gonna help you get across, right? So you're gonna go wink, bang, and land like that, okay? Now, that little step right there is a pretty fundamental step in breaking, in power, in footwork. It's not a step, but that understanding that kicking this up allows your body to get some like leverage and stuff. That's gonna come in handy later on a lot. So I recommend you guys practice that little move where you're just going, boom, all right? So the whole thing from the beginning, the top rock into the drop, and we're gonna land on the 3rd step of the 6th step. So if you remember from the last lesson, 6th step is here, right? Which you should be practicing this all the time, a lot, right? It's 1, 2, 3, right? No matter which way you go, that's the 3rd step, right? 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be a 3rd step. Whether you go left or right, you should be practicing it both ways, all right? So here we go, all together. Top rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoom, shoom, ba, boom, boom, ba. All right? Work on that, repeat the video. Let's move on to the next one.